Today my wife is going to show you how to make this amazing medieval apple pie. This recipe is the first apple pie recipe ever recorded back in 1390 in something called the Form of Curie. The recipe's pretty simple and it's open to interpretation, but let me read it to you. Take good apples and good spices and figs and raisins and pears, and when they are well brayed, colored with saffron well, and do it in a coffin, and it forth bake well. As you can tell, the recipe is not very detailed, and we've modified it some, but it tastes amazing, and to tell you honestly, this is the best pie crust that I've ever had. The entire pie only has 2 tablespoons of sugar, so it's healthy as well. The pie filling's different. It's not like your traditional apple pie filling that's sliced apples and gelatinous. This is more like chopped fruit. And it's delicious. We're building a firewood storage here, and I saw something on YouTube and that gave me the idea, and I've kind of modified it myself, but we'll show you once it's all built. The reason we built this firewood holder is because over there is a big pile of firewood and we saw a coral snake underneath it. And we're concerned that it's going to become a nest for coral snakes. So I'm building this elevated off the ground, and we're putting a lava rock around it because snakes don't like to slither over lava rocks because it's uncomfortable to their skin. So that's what we're up to today. My wife loves organization. That's what we're doing here.
Good morning, guys.
so much better now.
Nice and clean.
And that old tile that was here is gone.